Oh, I know it's so painful to go to the grocery store these days when you get to the checkout counter. Inflation and supply chain issues are making some foods scarce and expensive at the grocery store.
That's right. And one solution to save money and to find what you need are meal planning apps. Consumer reporter Heather Sullivan has some smart sense on how they can help.
How often do we go to the grocery store these days and the item we need is out of stock or prices are skyrocketing? Well, some meal planning apps can not only help you save money, but some of them can help you plan meals based on what's actually in the stores.
Bare shelves and high prices at the grocery store. Some meal planning apps can help you avoid both.
Trying to see through online grocery pickup what's in the store, what's not.
eMeals is a meal planning app that lets you choose from 15 different types of meals. Clean eating, budget-friendly, kid-friendly. Registered dietitian Sarah Crawford says it sends you a week of recipes and a grocery list based on what's actually available in stores.
We are then able to send our recipes and our grocery list to a grocery store provider, and that way you're able to see what's on the shelf through the app before you even go there.
If a recipe calls for an ingredient that's out of stock, eMeals finds a substitute.
Cream cheese is nowhere to be found on any shelf, so substituting with things like creme fraiche.
You can take the grocery list to the store yourself, have the ingredients delivered, or check that the ingredients are available while shopping online.
I wanted to put this to the test, so I found a sample eMeals recipe for a pan-seared steak with sun-dried tomato sauce. And I found all of the ingredients available on Walmart.com. Now, the recipe calls for a flank steak or a London broil, which I found available for about $5 a pound. But if that's not available, it says you can substitute a boneless top sirloin, which I found for $7.44 a pound, or a flat iron steak, which I found for $8.84 a pound. So the recipe actually suggested the lower priced meat.
The app can also save you money by choosing recipes that use the same ingredients.
Okay, if we're only using a half a can of diced tomatoes, we need to use it somewhere else so that we're using up all those ingredients instead of just throwing everything away.
eMeals has a free trial period, and then it starts at about $5 a month. But there is a wide variety of meal planning apps out there, and some of them are free. You'll find a list of them on Sullivan Smart Sense on Fox26Houston.com. Heather Sullivan, Fox 26 News.
Great information from Heather.
I use one of those. It doesn't tell me about the grocery store, but I tell you what, it has cut down the waste in my house because I was so tired at the end of the week of throwing away things that had gotten moldy in the refrigerator. It doesn't happen anymore. So it really works.
Yeah, that's why we have apps nowadays.
Yeah, I just had to do a little planning. Sunday's the food planning day at my house.
No problem.
Well, we need to plan about